Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to redirect visitor based on their city location in website. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in file manager and we are going to add code in PHP or HTML website. Now you see header.php, right click on it and then click on edit. Now header.php file open and we are going to redirect visitor based on their city location. So we are in head section. Now paste and you will find all these code in video description or in comment section. So you can use this code in PHP or HTML website and then you can add this code in head section. Now you see variable page 1 google.com, again you see variable page 2 BT digital. So you can add custom link according to your requirement and then you see fetch ipinfo.io JSON and then we are going to fetch data city of visitor. Now you see data.city Islamabad. If our visitor from Islamabad location, then redirect to page 1 and then you see else if our visitor from Washington, then redirect to page 2. So we are going to get visitor location using API request. Now copy this link. First we are going to check. Now go to another browser. Now paste link. Now press enter and then you see IP, city, region. You see multiple options. So we are using US IP address and then you see city Washington. So we are using this in custom code. So you can add city names in custom code according to requirement. Now back to code. So if visitor from Islamabad, then redirect to google.com and if visitor from Washington, then redirect to this page 2 link. If you want to add more, then copy else if. Now copy else if and then paste and then change variable page 3 here and you can add city name according to requirement and then scroll up, copy this line and then paste and then change page 2 to page 3 and then add your custom URL, website page link, any link you want, you can add it and then click on save. Now you see success message, file save. So this is our website link. Now refresh the page. So our location is not Islamabad or Washington. So open this page, again refresh. So in custom code we added our location, city name. Now copy, go to another browser. Now paste URL and then press enter. Now you see redirect to google.com. So in code we are going to change page URL. So in code we added another website instead of Google. Now paste URL, press enter. And then you see our website redirect to another URL. You see bgdigital.com. So in custom code you can set city location according to requirement and you can set page URL according to requirement. So if visitor from Islamabad, redirect to Google. If visitor from Washington, then redirect to this. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.